Sia is a wild mountain rose. Shen, in the local Ladakhi language, is in abundance. But life is anything but a bed of roses on Siachen, which is the world's highest battlefield. At altitudes of 17,000 plus feet. So we have Jawans posted all over from various regiments of the Indian Army who actually are deployed as we speak, and they are the prime, they're called the Siachen saviors also, Siachen warriors. They are the people actually who protect this country from offensive actions by the adversaries. The interesting thing about Siachen, which is located at a very strategic in a position, is that on one side you have China and on the other side you have Pakistan, which means you have the line of actual control on one side and the line of control on the other. And the Siachen Glacier is about, as you can see, this is from where the glacier, this is part of the line of glacier all around. So it's about 78 to 80 kilometers long, and the width actually varies now and then from about 800 meters to about 2 kilometers or so. So this is known as the world's highest battlefield, and the Indian Army first got deployed on the glacier in 1984 when, in order to counter Operation Abakil by the Pakistanis, the Indian Army launched Operation Meghdud, and this is the longest ongoing operation of the Indian Army till date. From 1984 onwards till date, the Operation Meghdud is continuing. It's an ongoing operation, and what is interesting is that this glacier has yielded the best mountain fighting force in the world, because Jawans who are deployed at Siachen are trained, number one, to survive the elements, the basic elements of nature, which is lack of oxygen, sub-zero temperatures, and very high altitude. And even at this time, as we speak, it's mainly through helicopters, primarily through helicopters and Haptors, that food and other supplies are supplied to them, are given to them.
सियाचिन ग्लेशियर में टेरेन और एनवायरनमेंट को से संबंधित हमें कई सारे मुश्किल के सामना करना पड़ता है, जैसे कि हेल्थ, टेरेन और क्लाइमेट। हेल्थ में सबसे पहले कि हमारे जितने भी पोस्टेज है वो वहाँ पर -60 डिग्री टेम्परेचर रहता है, और वहाँ पे हाई एल्टीट्यूड ज़्यादा होने के कारण वो ऑक्सीजन लेवल भी कम है, जिससे वजह से हमें सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होता है और साथ ही मोबिलिटी में भी प्रॉब्लम होता है। टेरेन के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो हमारे जितने भी पोस्टेज है वो 16,000 फीट से लेके 21,000 फीट तक की ऊंचाई पर है। वहाँ तक जाने में हमें 4 दिन से लेके 18 दिन तक की समय लगता है। इस दौरान हमें एवलांचेस और कैरावासेस की काफ़ी समस्या हमें सामने आता है और काफ़ी रिस्क रहता है हमें इस समय। और क्लाइमेट के हिसाब से देखा जाए हमारे जितने भी पोस्ट है ये वहाँ पर टेम्परेचर -60 डिग्री तक के रहता है, और वहाँ पे काफ़ी तेज़ हवा चलता है। इस दौरान हमें बर्फीली तूफान के ज़्यादा डर रहता है।
From 1984 onwards till now, there's been a lot of improvement that has taken place as far as training goes, equipment goes, communication, transportation needs. We have started using drones. We have started using much more advanced forms of equipment, weapon systems, surveillance. So, and even to communicate with their near and dear ones at home. So the living conditions in on Siachen for the 3,000, 4,000 odd Jawans who are deployed at any given point of time on the glacier. So there, the living conditions and the working conditions has improved beyond compare.